Turkey's banknotes are hiding something. Every single one carries Atatürk on one side, the man who forged a nation. Turn it over, and you'll find the minds who built a civilization, scientists, poets, visionaries. But the paper itself? It doesn't come from a mint, it comes from a cotton field. The same cotton in your clothes, now in your hands, carrying a nation's soul. Before the printing begins, the cotton arrives. The central bank of the Republic of Türkiye operates its own banknote printing plant at Beştepe in Ankara, a high-security state campus where Turkey's sovereign currency is manufactured from raw material to finished note entirely within one institution's control. Long staple cotton fibre arrives here in large bales. It is joined by linen fibre, which adds tensile strength and tear resistance that cotton alone cannot provide. Together, these two natural fibres form the furnish, the raw material mixture that will become Turkey's banknote paper. UV-reactive security fibres, fine coloured synthetic threads invisible under normal light but glowing brilliantly under ultraviolet illumination, are also added to the cotton-linen mixture. This blend is beaten in Hollander beaters, chemically treated and refined until the fibre suspension has exactly the right properties for paper formation. Now the printing begins, and the 200 lira becomes what it truly is. The beaten cotton linen furnish flows from the headbox of the TCMB paper machine onto the forming wire, where individual cotton and linen fibres lay down in a random interlocking network as the water drains rapidly away through the wire mesh. At a precisely controlled position on the forming wire, a dandy roll carrying the raised multi-tonal portrait of Atatürk presses gently into the wet paper web, displacing cotton and linen fibres to create areas of varying density, the watermark portrait that will glow with extraordinary tonal gradation when the finished note is held to any transmitted light source. A security thread bearing the microtext TL200 is simultaneously embedded within the paper thickness itself rather than applied to the surface, making it impossible to remove without destroying the note. The paper then passes through press nips that squeeze out water, travels through a long bank of steam-heated drying cylinders, is calendared smooth, and arrives at the printing stages as a certified cotton linen substrate already carrying its most fundamental security features within the paper itself before a single drop of printing ink has been applied. Offset printing comes first. Large multicolour sheet-fed presses apply the complex reddish-brown gear-shift background to both faces simultaneously. The mathematically precise interlocking curved lines that are the foundation of the note's visual design. Then the holographic stripe is hot stamped onto the obverse, a narrow band of optically variable foil that shifts from showing the numeral 200 to showing the letters TL as the note tilts, with TCMB microletters visible under magnification along its edges. Then comes Intaglio, the defining stage. The deeply engraved hardened steel plate bearing Atatürk's portrait is inked completely, wiped perfectly clean across the flat surface, and the cotton linen paper is pressed against it under enormous force. The cotton and linen fibres push into the ink-filled engraved portrait grooves. As the paper separates, the thick reddish-brown ink is drawn out as raised ridges standing physically above the paper surface. Run your fingertips slowly across Atatürk's face on a genuine 200 lira and you will feel those ridges. Each one a tiny physical sculpture pressed into cotton and linen at the TCMB plant in Ankara. A second intaglio pass brings Yunus Emre into raised relief on the reverse, alongside his mausoleum, a rose, a pigeon, and his immortal line Sevilelim. Let us love, let us be loved. Braille tactile dots are then applied in raised intaglio, allowing visually impaired Turkish citizens to identify the denomination by touch. An optically variable ink element is screen printed so that the denomination numeral appears as a golden yellow element when the note is tilted horizontally at eye level. fluorescent inks are applied. Serial numbers are printed in red and black by letterpress, 2 separate serial numbers per note, each unique in the entire TCMB production database. Simultaneously checks every note position on every sheet for Ataturk portrait intaglio depth, Yunus Emre portrait intaglio depth, holographic strike position, and performance, OV element, serial number legibility in both red and black, watermark alignment, of fluorescent patterns, braille dot height, security thread position, and EU Rhine anti-scanning pattern, all confirmed in fractions of a second per sheet. Any note position failing any single parameter is marked for rejection before the sheet proceeds. Approved sheets are then loaded into precision guillotine cutting machines programmed to the exact finished dimensions of the 200 Lira note, 160mm by 76mm. The blade descends through the full stack in a single clean stroke. Individual notes emerge from the sheet for the very first time. Each note then passes through a high-speed sorting machine at the next stage. Positions carrying rejection marks are automatically diverted into secure reject containers. Only fully verified notes continue forward to counting. Those verified notes flow through automated counting machines, are strapped into bundles of exactly 100 notes, each representing 20,000 Turkish lira, assembled into complete bricks of 1,000 notes, representing 200,000 lira, sealed in tamper-evident security. Packaging, loaded into armoured transfer containers bearing TCMB authorization seals, and transported under armed escort to the Central Bank of the Republic of Türkiye headquarters in Ankara. From there, they distribute through TCMB regional branch offices to commercial banks across Turkey's 81 provinces, into ATMs, bank counters, and the wallets of 85 million Turkish citizens. And now, as promised, let us return to the cotton and tell that story completely. The long staple cotton fibre used for Turkish banknote paper is sourced from premium agricultural growing regions where the specific combination of climate, soil and cultivation produces fibre of exceptional individual strand length. Turkey itself is one of the world's most significant cotton producers, with the Aegean region around Izmir and Aydin producing high-quality, long staple cotton varieties. Egypt's Nile Delta, with its legendary Gizli cotton, is another historically important source for security paper globally. After mechanical harvest by picker machines, the cotton goes to gin facilities where rotating saw elements strip the white lint cleanly from seeds and debris. The purified lint is compressed into large certified rectangular bales. For Turkish banknote paper,
Hassas. The circulation rate in Sector 3 is fluctuating too much. What's going on?
Did you calibrate the scale yet?
Yes, it's reading accurately now.
this cotton is complemented by linen fibre, the natural fibre of the flax plant, which undergoes a retting process in warm water baths to soften and separate the fibre bundles before they can be mechanically processed. Both fibres arrive at the TCMB Banknote Printing Plant in Ankara, where they are opened from their bales, cleaned through multiple industrial stages, fed into Hollander beaters that develop microscopic bonding surfaces on every individual fibre strand, treated with sizing chemicals and wet. Strength additives, enriched with the UV reactive security fibre threads, filtered to purity and fed onto the paper machine. The dandy roll creates the Ataturk watermark during formation. The security thread is embedded. The paper dries and is wound onto master reels from a cotton field and a linen field somewhere in the agricultural world, through gin machines and retting water bath and Hollander beating machines and a paper machine operating in Ankara, into the hands of 85 million Turkish citizens across 81 provinces. The 200 Turkish Lira note made this precisely and carefully.
Watch the clearance on the left. Pull it forward slowly. Almost there.